Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Thought you guys would like to see how we install a California valley. It's the valley we prefer to use with architectural shingles. Everybody's got an opinion. This is what the manufacturer recommends, and this is what works for us. So, Maestro Artemio. Got a line chalked up the valley, approximately 2 inches out of the crease. 2/3 of the shingle is running through the valley. Border shingle, that's what establishes the valley line. Then the full shingle is brought in. Corner point meets the starter line, and that creates the valley. From the ground, the appearance is the same as a closed cut valley. You have a triple layer of protection in the valley. Nice, sharp, crisp lines. No shingles bent, no granule loss. Keeps the knife out of the valley. And you have a very durable, strong valley that looks good. So that's how we do it. California Valley, Maestro Artemio, making it happen for us. Under the instruction of Maestro Macario. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please call us if we can help you out with your roofing project. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.